How to fix Action Center keeps popping up in Windows 11. 1. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Check for the presence of corrupt system files via sfc/scanno command. 3. Update your Windows OS. 4. Limit notification display timing. Change the option for dismiss notifications after this amount of time at Accessibility Visual Effects. 5. Enable Do Not Disturb. 6. Run the hardware troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 7. Clean boot your Windows. 8. Disable 4-finger gestures in Windows 11.